Standard 3rd, SST, chapter number 10, our dress. Textbook exercise on page number 56. Oral question, which dress is your favorite dress? So, answer will come that you have to write by your own, but I am telling you answer of that. For example, my favorite dress is salwar kameez. I find the dress very comfortable and we can wear it in all seasons. It comes in different styles and colors. Salwar kameez can be worn even for office or on festive occasion. So, first answer is that. And second, why do we wear cotton clothes in the summer season? So, we wear cotton clothes in summer season as they keep us cool. So, I am showing you answer of these both. So, after that, I will show you tick the correct answer also. I am explaining you. So, read this also. Tick the correct answer. Dhoti kurta, kurta pajama and kurta chudidar are generally worn by men during festive occasion, wedding, classes or only A and B. So, answer will come answer A and only A and B. So, you have to do tick mark on option D. In metros, days are popular among the Indian women. Indian wear, traditional dress of Rajasthan, state costume of Assam or western dresses. So mostly in metros, western dresses are popular among the Indian women. So answer will come D. Okay. Now MCQ is there. The dress people wear are affected by dash, climatic condition, culture, religion or all of this. All of this answer will come. Okay. The dress worn by most women in India is the mostly what they are wearing? Sari. So answer will come sari, but here they have an option trouser and shirt, skirt or dhoti kurta. So answer will come sari. Naga women wear shawls with typical design that show the tribes they belongs to, their region, their family occasion or all of these. Answer will come A, the tribe they belongs to. Now I am showing you answer key of oral question as I speak all the answers, but I am showing you answer of all these. So the first number I said that which dress is your favorite dress. So I told you, for example, my favorite dress is salwar kameez. I find the dress very comfortable and can wear it in all seasons. It come in different styles and colors. Salwar kameez can be worn even for office or on festive occasion. And second question was there, why do we wear cotton clothes in the summer? So answer I have written here. We wear cotton clothes in summers as they keep us cool. Okay. Now I have told you to tick mark in the MCQ. So answer taste yourself. It is there in first and second number DD answer will come. And the answer multiple choice question it is there, means tick the correct answer exercise A is there. In that first number answer will come D, second number answer will come A and third number answer will come again A. That I had shown you that video, but now I am showing you match A with B. Match the following column first and column second. Here Banarasi sari. So who is wearing Banarasi sari? North India. Kanjivaram sari, South India. Firans wear in Kashmir. Pavdi in Tamil Nadu. And Angrakha wear in Gujarat. So answer 1 will come D, answer 2 will come A, answer 3 will come E, answer 4 will come C and answer 5 will come B. Now I will show you short answer question. Okay, first I will pick all the answers and afterwards I will show you answer key of these 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so first question is write short answer question. When do people wear their traditional dress? So answer will come traditional dresses are generally worn during wedding and other special occasion like festivals, ceremonies or rituals. Again I am repeating, traditional dresses are generally worn during weddings and other special occasions like festivals, ceremonies or rituals. Number 2, what do most women in Punjab wear? Answer is women from the state of Punjab wear salwar kameez with dupatta or odhni. Again I am repeating 2 number answer. Women from the state of Punjab wear salwar kameez with dupatta or odhni. What do men wear in Tamil Nadu and Kerala? So third number answer, lungi and kurta are worn by the South Indians in Kerala. The lungi is called mundu and in Tamil Nadu it is called vesti. Again I am repeating answer. Lungi and kurta are worn by the South Indians in Kerala. The lungi is called mundu and in Tamil Nadu it is called vesti. Answer the following question. Why do people wear different types of clothes in different parts of the country? Answer. India is a country with different climatic conditions in different areas. Some places are hot, some are cool and others are cold. Some areas are dry while some areas are wet. Certain areas are very hot in summers and very cold in winter. Other areas, for example, sea coast, have the same type of climate throughout the year. The clothes people wear are influenced by the climatic conditions of that place. What is the difference in the men's wear of Gujarat and Rajasthan? Answer. Gujarati men wear colorful angrakha with frill and men from Rajasthan wear angrakha without frill. What is special about the Naga women's shawl? Answer. Naga women wear shawls whose designs show the tribe they belong to. Each tribe has a typical design. Name 4 dresses worn by Indian men and women on special occasion. 4 dresses worn by Indian men on special occasion are kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, kurta churidar. 4 dresses worn by women on special occasion are sari, salwar kameez, lehenga or ghagra choli. Here exercise E and F you don't have to do, okay? So up to here our chapter ends. So learn question answers and all, okay?